Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to insert text and graphics into your video using Clipchamp. Whether you want to add titles, highlight moments, or just bring your content to life with fun visuals, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Let's begin with adding text to your video. To add text, go to the left-hand side of Clipchamp and select the text option. You'll see a variety of text styles, from clean and simple to animated and decorative. Choose one that matches your video style. In my case, I'm picking a style that is creator. Drag the selected text style directly onto your timeline or click the plus icon. Click on the text block to activate the editing panel. From here, you can change the actual text, select a different font, adjust the size, and even change the color to suit your video. Now, go back to the preview window. You can click and drag the text box to reposition it anywhere on the screen. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, just drag the corners to resize it. You can also control when the text appears in the video by moving the block left or right along the timeline. If you want the text to stay on screen longer, drag the edges of the block to make it longer. To shorten its duration, just shrink the block. Now let's move on to adding graphics. Clipchamp offers a built-in collection of graphics, which you can find in the graphics section on the left panel. There are a variety of options available. Some are simple static images, while others are animated like GIFs and stickers. On the left, choose Content Library. There are many categories of graphics. In this video, I am selecting Clipchamp Selects. Then Annotations. And select this arrow. To add it, just drag the graphic you want onto the timeline or click the plus icon. As with any element, you can control when it appears and for how long by adjusting its position and size on the timeline. Once you've finished placing your text and graphics, hit the play button to preview your video. Make sure everything looks good and the timing flows naturally. When you're happy with the result, export your video and you're ready to share it. And that's how you add text and graphics in Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.